everyone, this is Pico Entertainment and we are back again, and this is just another drawing video now, and we're going to concentrate now on the character that everybody knows, the most distinguishable, the most famous superhero heroine ever, and that's Diana Prince, Wonder Woman. You all know who this character is. And in this drawing here, you know, when you concentrate on Wonder Woman, she's a character who, when you see many interpretations, artists will either go for the more slimline, slender look, or they'll go for the more curvier, kind of muscular look on here. And I've probably gone for between both aspects in this drawing here. And I've tried to give it that feminine look, but at the same time, I've tried to give her more of a fierce, intense, kind of warrior look about her on here, because that's what I think Wonder Woman should be. I don't think she should kind of be just a pretty slimline kind of catwalk kind of model on here, and of course you shouldn't give her the kind of hugely muscular hulking physique. You've got to try and strike a balance in between, and that's what I've tried to do here. So this is my drawing here. As usual, you'll see the pencils first and then the inking afterwards. You'll notice that I've left the lasso of truth in pencils, because when I do eventually do the colouring, I kind of want the lasso of truth to just be bright yellow as possible. I don't want to have any ink covering over the colouring when I do that on here. So that's why you can't see the lasso of truth on here. So here's my Wonder Woman version here. I may do a second version because after the editing I've looked at the picture again and again, and it's one of those instances where I'm satisfied with it, but I think I could do a bit better. There's a few adjustments that I want to make here or there, so you may very well see a second Wonder Woman drawing in the pipeline shortly, uploaded on my channel. So yep, here's my Wonder Woman drawing here. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and of course if there's a character that you'd like to see me draw in the future, just drop a comment or send an email or go to my Twitter or my Facebook and make a suggestion there, and I will attempt to draw that character, and look forward to many more of these drawings on my channel in the future. So please subscribe and help my channel grow, and thank you very much for watching this video. Take care of yourselves, stay at short distances, and I will see you very, very soon.